Imagine my surprise on my pillow lay single yellow rose. I smiled back when I read the card. The teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind it'd be untrue. And so today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that yellow roses mean you love someone forever? And did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray, leave and throw our love away? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind it'd be untrue. And so today, as I lay sleeping, you left me